Welcome back. Ponda Police has registered an offence against the President and the management of the Sri Kamakshi Devi Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital on Wednesday. The offence has been registered in the recent cases of 9 skeletons being found near the college at Shiroda. They have been booked for negligence during disposal of the dead bodies, putting public life into danger, trespassing into the cemetery and disrespect to the human corpse.
Ponda Police has registered an offence against Sri Kamakshi Devi Homeopathic College and Hospital in connection with the 9 skeletons recovered around the college campus. Offence has been registered against attendant Devidas Borkar, Benedito Fernandez, principal of college Satyan Naik, president of college and other management of the institution. Police has registered an offence under section 447 for criminally trespassing, 297 for trespassing into burial places, 269 for negligence likely to spread infection of diseases dangerous to life, 336 act of endangering life or personal safety of others. Sections were read under 34 Indian Penal Code section for committing offences together.
इन्क्वायरीन अशें कळ्ळें की खुबशे नॉर्म्स तेंच्यांनी वायलेट केल्ले आसा. एक तरी दुसऱ्याच्या प्रॉपर्टीन वचून ते फीट काडून ती ओपनली घातले वीच इज डेंजरस टू पब्लीक लायफ. आनी आल्सो तेंच्यांनी ती ह्युमन क्रॉप्साची जी डिग्निटी आसा ती मेंटेन करूं ना अगेन्स्ट द डिग्निटी ऑफ ह्युमन क्रॉप्स. आनी चड म्हणल्यार अशे बॉडी उडोवप हेचे बद्दल एपिडेमीक पासून स्प्रेड जावंक शकता. इतले बॉडी एका जाग्याचेर घातल्या आनी ओपनली घातल्या टू इन्सल्ट टू द डेड बॉडी. अशी घटना घडलेली आसा ही. आनी हेजे खातीर आमी इन्क्वायरी करून सद्या जो प्रायमा फेसी ऑफेन्स मेड आउट जाला ते प्रमाण केस रजिस्टर केल्या आनी फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू आसा. आतां हे जे अटेंडंट आसा तेचे प्रिंसिपल आसा मॅनेजमेंट आसा जे रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसा ते इन्क्वायरी तांकां तेंचेर ऑफेन्स रजिस्टर केलो आसा.
Earlier on Tuesday, Chairman of College Subhash Shirodkar had clarified that college possesses permission from the State Pollution Control Board to bury the bodies received for study purpose. College has procured 35 dead bodies from GMC in last 15 years. Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Murmugaon Municipal Council has appealed the households located in landslide-prone areas to vacate their premises. Council has listed Kariwada, Sada, Bogda, Destero, Baina, Harbour Jetty, Mangor Hill, Vade, New Vade as landslide-prone areas. The council has also cleared that even after the notice, if occupants continue to stay in the same premises, the occupants will be responsible for any damages. Murgaon municipality has asked the people to vacate the houses or premises situated at Kariwada, Sada, Bogda, Destero, Baina, Harbour Jetty, Mangor Hill, Vade, New Vade within jurisdiction of Murmugaon Municipal Council, Vasco da Gama. This is one of the precautionary steps taken by the council, keeping in mind the past cases of landslides and waterlogging. The Murmugaon Municipal Council has already issued notices to such households in the past. Council in general has appealed to immediately vacate such houses, premises with household materials as a safety measure, since there is a possible danger to the lives of occupants, especially during the monsoon season, and to cooperate with the administration during untoward incidents and moments of crisis. Council has also warned that if the households choose to continue residing in same areas which are seemingly located in dangerous conditions, they will be doing so at their own risk and shall be responsible for consequences, if any, arising in their future because of landslides, etc. Bureau Report, Prudent. On Wednesday morning, a minor girl was kidnapped from Panji area. Brother of the victim girl has registered a case at Panji police station and has named Nilesh Hegde as the accused.
According to Panji Police, victim girl's mobile has shown the last location at KTC bus stand Panji. Since her disappearance, her mobile and mobile of the accused has switched off. Police says that accused Nilesh, a resident of Chimbil, was working with a courier agency at Panji. Brother of victim girl has informed the police that the accused was known to his sister. A police team has been sent to Belgaum as the accused is native of Belgaum. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Goa Pradesh Youth Congress Committee is dissolved and elections for new Pradesh Youth Congress Committee will be held soon. The zonal returning officer of the Youth Congress informed that new faces will be given a chance. Similarly, participation of women will be motivated. The Youth Congress has enrolled 7,345 new members.
फर्स्ट फेज में हमारी मेंबरशिप हुई थी और हमने नए साथियों को चांस दिया था कि वो आए यूथ कांग्रेस में मेंबर बने और इलेक्शन लड़े। अब उसी की प्रोसेस को लेके हम लोग 3 दिन 10, 11, 12 स्क्रूटनी करने जा रहे हैं। जो पार्ट यूथ कांग्रेस की कमेटी है उससे इलेक्शन कमीशन के मार्फत हम लोग डिसॉल्व कर रहे हैं ताकि फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शन गोवा में करा सकें। यूथ कांग्रेस एक बूथ के अंदर 5 मेंबर की कमेटी होंगी, प्रेसिडेंट, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट और 3 रिजर्व जनरल सेक्रेटरी, जिसमें एक महिला होंगी जनरल सेक्रेटरी में, एक ओबीसी या माइनॉरिटी में से और एक SC/ST में से।
Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik has plans to beautify the Soza Garden in Panji city. The beautification of the garden will be taken up under the MP-led funds. 83 lakhs are proposed for the beautification of the garden. However, the mayor has asked for more MP-led funds. The work will commence once the funds are released.
MP-led फंडाकडल्यान हांवें 83 lakhs of rupees sanction केल्या, which figure will go to up to 1 crore. Local self bodies, whether it is municipal corporation, municipalities or village panchayat, ह्यो strengthen करपाची गरज आसा आनी ह्यो जर strengthen करतले जायत तर आमी तांचे प्रोजेक्ट कांय प्रोजेक्ट आमी घेवपा जाय। सरकार आपलें काम करतलोच, पूण MP फंडांतल्यान लोकल सेल्फ बॉडीज जर घट्ट केले जायत, तांचे प्रोजेक्ट्स आमी केले जायत तर 73rd and 74th amendments कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनाचे आमी ताका बळकटी दिली अशें जातलें।
Now this 83 lakhs rupees was 3 years back, so estimates have increased. It will go over 1 crore rupees, and I am confident that my good friend and honourable Rajya Sabha MP will release the funds, and he will also give more funds for other projects in Panjim, if so desired by my honourable corporators.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.